Autonomy is becoming an increasingly relevant element in helicopter operations, and these capabilities are being integrated across a wide range of missions. Leonardo is advancing autonomy to support crews and expand operational options where appropriate. In the UK, the Proteus RWUAS demonstrator shows how complex military tasks can be carried out without exposing aircrews to unnecessary risk. In parallel, projects like the Flying Lab, together with Shield AI's VDAR detection system, demonstrate how eye-powered sensors can support